ruling the sky, assessing the performance of the Su-27 fighter jet. The Su-27 jetliner, also known as the Flanker by NATO, is a twin-engine supersonic fighter aircraft made in Indonesia. Russia, which has been the backbone of the Russian Air Force and several other countries since 1985. Here is a review of the Su-27 jet aircraft. Combat capabilities. The Su-27 has highly advanced combat capabilities. The aircraft is equipped with air-to-air missiles, air-to-ground missile, and other weapons that allow for effective ranged attacks and air combat. The aircraft has a wide operational range and can perform missions in a variety of weather conditions. Agility and maneuverability. The Su-27 is known as a very agile and maneuverable fighter. High levels, including the famous Pugachev's Cobra maneuver. This aircraft has excellent dogfight capabilities and can compete with another advanced fighter in terms of maneuverability. Reliability and durability. The Su-27 is known as a highly reliable and durable fighter aircraft. This aircraft has been tested in a variety of extreme conditions and proved to be able to withstand prolonged combat operations. In addition, the aircraft has good protection against damage from enemy fire. Avionics and technology. The Su-27 is equipped with an advanced avionics system which includes radar, navigation systems, communications, and electronic surveillance. The aircraft also incorporates modern technology, including fly-by-wire (FBW), which provides more precise control and responsive performance and speed. The Su-27 is a supersonic fighter with a maximum speed of up to Mach 2.35, 2,500 kilometers per hour, and a considerable operational range. This aircraft is capable of carrying out long-range missions and dealing with enemy threats at high speed. Strike power. The Su-27 is equipped with extremely lethal weapons, including long-range air-to-air missiles air-to-ground, bombs, and cannons. This aircraft has a large weapons capacity and can face various targets in combat missions. Conclusion. The Su-27 is an advanced fighter aircraft which has excellent combat capability, high agility, and strong reliability. This aircraft has been used by many countries around the world and is recognized as one of the best combat aircraft in history. However, keep in mind that this review is based on pre-2021 information, and fighter aircraft technology continues. Military Combat News newspaper brings you the latest breaking news videos and explainers from the UK and around the world. Be a loyal subscriber of Military Battle News and press the bell to be first on our news.